AI offers the most accurate and comprehensive automated models that are able to assist and simplify our daily activities, like me achieving this makeup look today. Although there are various AI-powered apps and tools that enable you virtually try on various Korean makeup looks, I asked for an assistance in physically applying this makeup. AI provided recommendations based on my facial features, skin tone, and personal preferences. Now, it also guided me through the step-by-step makeup process of achieving this specific Korean makeup look, which I ended up liking actually. It came out nice. Then, it also suggested skincare routines and products that align with Korean beauty standards. But I didn't actually follow it. But you know what I did use? I used the AI-powered beauty filters. I enhanced my looks actually and smoothing out my skin and helped in visualizing this Korean makeup look I was going for. AI also suggested beauty communities and platforms who have successfully recreated Korean makeup looks and created a sense of community. And those are people I also followed. In fact, I actually followed it step by step. I'm going to show you a video that inspired me to create this look today. This helped me by not only enhancing my user experience but also creating the Korean makeup look that was more accessible to a broader audience. While doing this makeup, I actually learned that most Korean makeup is not even in the skin work. Most of the skin work is literally the skincare they use and their foundation. But all their makeup is in the eyes and in the lip makeup, honestly. And this eye makeup, I kept trying to get it. I actually want to see how it came out at the end. It came out nice, but then I feel like it would have come out better. Usually I contour my nose for a thin look, but the video I saw or the direction AI gave me wasn't giving slim nose. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just make the nose medium size. So this is actually how I achieved it. Then I went back to the eyes. I actually went back to the eyes in this makeup so many times, guys. Because the first time I was like, no, it's not enough. Plus I'm dark skinned. Normally they would use brown, but I was like, oh, since I'm dark skinned, let me use black. And then this was actually the best part. Can you just see? I'm always blushing when it's time for blush, because it makes me so happy. And then Korean makeup actually allows you to use blush. So I was like, oh, so you're telling me I can go crazy? Which I did do though. It was really nice. After this, we now went to the lip makeup. You guys, this was actually tough. So let me show you the video that gave me the idea to try and recreate this lips, because I didn't really see how it was going to come out. But let me show you. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry. You guys, this lip was actually scaring me. I've never been so scared to do lip makeup. I was like, what if it don't come out nice? Cause I tried to use black because the girl used black, and I was like, oh, I can use black, so I'm gonna use black. And I started blending. I think in this whole makeup, it was literally the lip makeup that had me stuck. I didn't know what I was doing. At the end of the day, I just got scared and said, no, just add the pink. Add the pink, cover it with lip gloss. Let's see how it's going to come out. And that was actually what I did. This lip gloss was giving very sticky. I actually asked for a recommendation. Someone was like, this lip gloss is really good. NK. NK wasn't giving transition.